project was for csse120robotics. We wrote a controller for a robot in Python, and this was my first programming project that I've ever done. This is ran on a simulator written by another Rose student. Unfortunately, we don't have footage of the program running on the actual robot. So we're going to connect to the robot with its port number, which is SIM. Once we're connected, it'll bring up the robot control panel. We have information about each developer, and you can also view information about the robots you're connected to. The simulator only supports one robot being connected at a time, so it cannot demo or two-robot functionality. This is your basic movement control. You can go forward, left, right, backwards, diagonal, and you can also change the speed at which you're traveling by using Q and E. There's a max speed of 50 centimeters per second. The 8-directional movement capability gave us a real fluid control of the robot. Next, we have our non-telegraphic menu, which lets you enter a distance and a speed you want the robot to travel. It'll go that distance. You can also click and make the robot hit a wall, which it can tell by its front two bumpers, and then it'll turn around and hit the wall again, and it'll turn around and it'll keep going. This is pretty useless, but it's really fun to watch, especially on the live robots. Let me bring the robot back into view real quick. Next, we can make it play a song, which in our case we're having it play Stop in the Name of Love. You can make the robot do a randomly generated dance. Unfortunately, the simulator doesn't support our infrared features because you cannot connect to two separate robots, but basically you connect to two robots and send commands via infrared. This is our piano. It allows you to play the piano using the keys on your keyboard through the robot. Unfortunately, the simulator doesn't support the follow a line, follow a wall function. Basically, the robot would follow a black line taped on the floor based on its sensors or follow a wall. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. To see more like it, check out my website at mattrock.co. There will be a link in the description.